Okay, we now start IELTS speaking part 1.
Do you prefer a long break or several short breaks?
Well, I usually prefer short breaks. When I also take short breaks every of every hour because short breaks are very important when we in a daily routine we get tired and we have to take some break to get fresh.
Okay, so I prefer to take short
Short
breaks
breaks.
instead of long ones. Good job, very good. Let's go on.
What do you usually do during a break?
Well, during my breaks, I usually drink water and eat something that refresh me. So
That refreshes me
and give me energy to do that
and
work
gives me energy.
and gives me
Gives me.
energy to do that work more efficiently.
Okay, so to answer your
Sufficient
question, during the break, I try to do something which improves my intelligence. Different words, different ideas, okay? One more.
Is it important to take a break?
Can you repeat that?
Is it important to take a break?
Yes, it is very important to take a break. As I mentioned earlier, uh, when uh, when we work a lot, we get tired and we need to be more fresh to do work more efficiently and in a better way. For that way, we should need a break to do things better.
Okay, overall it's good. Number 1, fluency. And number 2, link your answer with the main question. Whatever the question is, try to link it with the question. Okay? So for that, it is necessary that you remember the question. Right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.